What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to give you my top tips for the Galaxy S23 Ultra to help you to get the best possible performance. I'm going to give you the things that I do with my 23 Ultra. And don't worry, I'm not going to show you anything that may hurt your battery. And if there is some type of battery deficiency showing up from this, just go back and reverse what you think that may be causing the battery problems. So first up, the real simple one is like changing your display, because right out the box you're coming in at 1080, and most people, a lot of you guys who are Samsung experts who are into watching YouTube videos, you pretty much know this already. But you have people out there who may look at your phone and see their phone and be like wondering, hey, why does your phone look so much better than mine? Well, you know how to optimize it, and you can share this video to help them optimize their phone. So go to your settings, and then what you will want to do is go to display and just have them go for change their adaptive brightness. You can turn that off where you can control the brightness yourself. You can also go down to screen resolution, tap that, where you will have all your options of setting your screen display to the point where you can have the most optimal, beautiful colors you can possibly have on a display like this. You can pretty much just set that to your desired resolution. Also, if they're having a hard time reading the letters and fonts, you can also go to screen zoom, where you can make the letters bigger or smaller. So those are the type of things that help people who are not as tech savvy as yourself. Also, we can stay here inside of a screen and scroll down to vivid, click screen mode, and right here you can set the colors for a vivid or neutral shade. So the next thing is the navigation buttons. Some people like to have the swipe commands. Some people like navigation buttons. I used to like the swipe command, but I kind of went back to navigation buttons because it allowed me to move through the phone in a more faster manner. You can also find that in display. Scroll all the way down to near the bottom where you see navigation bar, and it gives you the options whether you can have buttons or swipe gestures. You can also set it where you can reverse the order of the buttons if you so desire. Also, it gives you quick little instructions under the swipe gestures on how each one of those gestures work. A lot of things that people like to do with their phone is personalize their phone. If you see some nice icon packs or something that you see in the Google Play Store, hold up before you go pick up one of those or purchase any of those type of themes and icons. You can try the theming that's inside of the Samsung Galaxy Store or in the settings. So again, scroll down to theme. You can go into theming. Right here inside of the theme store, you can pretty much find themes, wallpapers, icons, and always on display type of themes. What I like to do is, for example, if I want to change the look of my phone, I hit themes. Okay, inside of themes, there's a little arrow right at the top where it says all. You punch that. Right here, it has all the things you could possibly get, whether they're paid or free. Paid themes alone, or if you just want to look strictly at free themes, click on free. I would recommend you looking at free because sometimes they do have special deals on purchase themes. Sometimes they let you use them for free, give it to you at a discounted rate, or let you use part of it. But you can find some pretty good themes in the free section. Same thing with icons. You can go into icons, click top, click over the categories, go to free, and find you some free icon packs to add to your home screen. One little warning though, it don't theme all of the apps, so you're gonna have to be wary of that. There are some of these Galaxy icon themes where all it does would trim the app, meaning if it's a silver icon pack, it may trim your apps that are non-themable in a silver band or a black band or whatever color that particular icon app is working with. Sometimes, you know, you have to be real worried that not all of them do that, but there are quite a few that will at least attempt to theme apps that's not listed on their list of themes. Another feature that I like to use is called Smart Lock or Smart Lock. So with the Smart Lock, what I can do is it pretty much keeps my phone unlocked where I don't have to keep using a fingerprint sensor, facial recognition, or just putting in my PIN number. It pretty much just stays unlocked at home. Now this one may be kind of a iffy type of tip. Most people like to keep their phone locked no matter where they're at. But if you're comfortable at having your phone unlocked when you're at home or when you use a trusted device like a pair of headphones, this is a pretty good tip to set up. So again, you go into your settings, you find lock screen. Then what happened is up here you see smart lock, which would be the second one. You click on that, put in your PIN, and then after you place your PIN, it's going to ask you to confirm the location that you're at as a place, as a trusted place, or if you have a pair of headphones that is connected to this, it's going to ask you, is this a trusted device? What you would do is confirm that, and whenever you use that device or whenever you're in the area, your phone will stay unlocked once that device is either cut off, or if you leave the area, the phone will lock back up as if it was, as you know, to protect it from prying eyes, and no one will be able to get in unless they have your PIN or somehow able to use your thumbprint. But again, I like to use this when I'm at home so I don't constantly have to go ahead and unlock the phone. I just swipe up and start doing whatever I need to do. Now, one thing is not all apps are able to run in a multi-window setup. So this tip right here will force all apps into a multi-window setup. What you need to do is stay in your settings, go down to advanced features. Click on advanced features and make sure multi-window for apps are turned on. Now where is that? All right, yeah, you find that inside of the labs. Click that button right at the top, and you will have all your apps forcing into a multi-window layout. This is a pretty cool tip. This is one of my favorite ones. I like this one a lot. The next one, you stay in your settings and you go in and you stay into the advanced feature part of it. What you want to do is click on S Pen. Now, you can set up things like make sure when your S Pen is removed, it warns you after a while that it's been not holstered. You can also set up in more S Pens to allow multiple S Pens to be used on your phone. Again, warn you if your S Pen has been left behind. You can also turn on S Pen Unlock, where if you take the feature out, and let's say, for example, while the pen is out and the phone locks, you can click on the button and it will unlock your phone. But here's the tip behind that one is once you holster your phone back again, if it's locked, no one can remove the S Pen and use that as a workaround. It has to be out while the phone is unlocked first, then lock, then the button press to unlock the phone. So again, if your phone is already locked, no one can just remove your S Pen, hit the button, and unlock your phone. So I want to make sure you're clear with that. Also, when S Pen is removed, you can open Air Command. You can turn that on, turn that off. Sometimes that get a little annoying. I'd rather use a button to activate that particular feature. Now, another tip is setting up your side keys. You also will find that in advanced features. You go to side key, which is second on that list. You can use that to open your camera app with a quick double press. I have it set for a flashlight for a quick double press, and to press and hold. I use that to power off my phone instead of to wake up the Bixby command. Now remember back in the day, in the good old rooting days, there were a lot of little mods we would add to our phone. And GoodLock has taken quite a bit of those modding features and made them available without having to root your phone. So again, you go into your app drawer. GoodLock is available in the Galaxy store. They have a lot of cool little mods you can add to your phone. Nice Shot, which is it's a screenshot screen recorder app. Notistar, which manage the notification history more easily. Theme Park, which helps create and apply themes by extracting the colors from the background images to automatically create a theme based on, let's say, a particular wallpaper you may be using. You can create a theme based on the color patterns that are in your favorite wallpaper. So there are quite a bit of cool little modding things modding features that's in GoodLock that we used to actually add to our phones back in the day when we were rooting our phones. So go through GoodLock and pretty much see if there's a mod that you like to add to your Galaxy S23 Ultra. But yeah, that's pretty much did it for all of my tips. There is some more. I just didn't really want to make this video long. But if this video is well received by you guys, I'll probably do a part 2 of other things I like to do before, the way I like to set my Galaxy 23 Ultra up. But until then, leave your questions down below. Also, if you have some special tips or something of that nature that you use, leave that down below. And if hopefully just help somebody out. Again, if you're the techie, this would be a good video to recommend to other people who may not really, dive deep into their phones. But just to help them get the best performance out of their Galaxy S23 Ultra. Just also work on any Samsung phone. So, don't think it has to be a 23 Ultra. So again, that pretty much does it for this video. Thumbs up, subscribe. Please subscribe. I appreciate every last one of you guys. And other than that, catch everybody in the next video. I'm out.